Las Vegas is probably the world's #1 destination for gambling, entertainment, nightlife, and even shopping. You could be in Vegas for 1 week and still not see all of its casinos and entertainment areas. But what if you only have 24 hours? In this video, we created an itinerary ideal for a one-day visit to Vegas. And at the end of this video, we also included some great tips to organize yourself before you go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It is 10 AM and let's start our Vegas experience by visiting the Neon Museum. Neon Museum offers a collection of iconic Las Vegas neon signs that were taken down when businesses, casinos, and other famous landmarks were closed, demolished, or renovated. It is a great way to experience Las Vegas history firsthand. Or if you prefer, you can visit a mob museum located nearby. At 11 AM, let's continue exploring downtown Las Vegas. Fremont Street is a street in downtown Las Vegas. It was the original center of the city and home to the first famous casinos such as Binion's Horseshoe and Fremont Hotel and Casino. While most big casinos are now located on the Strip, Fremont Street experience is a must-see in Vegas. Part of the street is covered by an enormous LED display featuring Viva Vision light shows. For the ultimate experience, ride Slotzilla zipline that runs above the Fremont Street experience. Grab something to eat on Fremont Street or visit an open-air shopping complex located nearby called the Container Park. It consists of boutiques, restaurants, bars, and galleries built from shipping containers, making it an environmentally friendly retail, dining, and art destination. If you have some time, visit the Arts District located south of downtown, officially known as 18B. The place is home to galleries, studios, graffiti-adorned buildings, festivals, and other activities. It is 1 PM, time to explore the famous Vegas activities and attractions. The afternoon is time to relax or try out one of the countless activities depending on your mood. You can take, for example, a helicopter tour to experience Las Vegas from a different angle or go all the way to the Hoover Dam. If you're a car fan, you can even take a racing car for a spin. If you want to attend a pool party or just relax by the pool, there's a ton of places where you can do that. If you want a more exciting experience, visit the Stratosphere Tower, try any of the zip lines in Vegas, etc. Check out our travel guide for more suggestions. By the way, our travel guide is a mobile-friendly PDF document that covers the top 20 things to do in Vegas, including maps, links, opening hours, and other information. At 4 PM, let's visit the Venetian Hotel and Casino. Vegas offers an array of extravagant hotels and casinos. Most of them are located on the Strip. The hotels feature miles of indoor shopping areas full of designer stores, fancy restaurants, and of course casinos. If this is your first time in Vegas, you just can't skip one of the most beautiful ones, the Venetian, which uses Italian Venice as a basis for its design, such as canals, together with famous gondolas. Its architecture also features Venetian landmarks like St. Mark's Bell Tower and many others. Or just find any other famous casino that you like and explore that one. Since drinking on the streets in Vegas is legal, grab one of many yard drinks like Fat Tuesday and slowly sip while exploring the attractions. It is 5 PM and let's visit the nearby Linq Promenade. The Linq Promenade is an open-air shopping, dining, and entertainment district. The plaza features around 40 shops, restaurants, live music scene, and other exciting attractions. For the ultimate experience, ride the Linq zipline that runs directly above the promenade. Or if you prefer, you can experience the city from above in the high roller Ferris wheel, which offers 360-degree views of Las Vegas Valley. On your way to the next attraction, you can stop and explore the interior of the Bellagio Hotel and Casino, or just admire the fountains show in front of the hotel. It is 7 PM, so let's grab something to eat. Las Vegas offers plenty of fast food, buffets, and other food options. Located in the Cosmopolitan, Urban Food Hall showcases curated eateries based in different US states. Or if you prefer Italian cuisine, Italy at Park MGM houses restaurants, takeaway counters, a cafe bar, and more. There's plenty of upscale dining options to choose from in this part of the city, such as Gordon Ramsay's Hell Kitchen, as well as many fast food places like Taco Bell and others. At 8 p.m., let's explore the park and interesting shops. Surrounded by Park MGM, New York, and the T-Mobile Arena, the park is a family-friendly outdoor promenade with a diverse mix of restaurants, bars, and entertainment areas. This attractive space boasts a lively atmosphere, unusual art pieces, water walls, and much more. Visit one of many interesting shops located close by, like Hershey's Chocolate World, M&M's World, or Coca-Cola store. The evening, of course, is reserved for your own entertainment. Whether you like to gamble, attend a famous concert or show, or even go clubbing, there is something for everyone. Check out our travel guide for suggestions and for 2- and 3-day itineraries. And now, let's look at some of the tips that might come in handy on your day trip to Vegas. You will have to walk a lot, so bring comfortable shoes. Vegas can get extremely hot. If it is too hot in the afternoon for outdoor activities, just chill at the pool or explore indoor areas like casinos or museums. Feel free to skip any of the attractions depending on how tired you are, how early in the day you want to start, if you're going out in the evening, if some attractions are too crowded, etc. And depending on where the location for your accommodation is, you can even reverse your plan or even change your plan and add a new attraction to the list. There are tons of other amazing things to do in Vegas. Check out our other Vegas videos and buy our travel guide for more suggestions.